Hey everyone, in today's how-to video, I want to show you an easy way to send and to receive money using Zelle. Now, Zelle is built into a lot of mobile apps for banking. So for example, my Chase app has Zelle built into it. I'm going to show you how to use it that way. And if your bank is not supported, even though they support hundreds of banks and credit unions, you could use the Zelle app. So I'm going to show you both of those options. And it's super simple, 3 easy things. You have to link your bank, you have to pick someone to pay, and you pick that amount to pay or to receive. Really simple. Let's jump into my phone here. I'm gonna do this with Chase, that's the bank I have, and I'm gonna use Zelle to send and receive money that way through that mobile app. Pretty much the same process with your mobile app, regardless of what bank you have, as long as it's supported by Zelle. And if it's not, all you need to do is use the Zelle app, so I'll show you that last. The first thing you want to do is get the mobile app for your bank because Zelle is built into that. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and open the Chase mobile app. So open the app for your bank. And in my case, if I just press the 3 lines right on the top left, I should have an option that says Quick Pay with Zelle. So look for a similar option in your mobile app. It's usually in the settings of the app somewhere. So if you have Bank of America, for example, or if you have Wells Fargo or different credit unions or banks, it's somewhere within the app. If you're not sure, look at the list on the Zelle website that I have in the description below this video. I'm gonna press Quick Pay with Zelle. Right now, I could send money and receive money or split money. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and send money. And let's say I've never used this before, so the recent contacts will be blank. I'm gonna press Add right on top. And I could add from my contact list, or I could just type on someone's name. And all I need to do is either add their email or phone number and add that participant. So let me go ahead and do that. And they've been added, so I'm gonna press OK. And on this page, I just have to type in the amount that I wanna send, and then I have to choose pay from. Right now it's connected to my checking account, but I could always change that here if I have multiple accounts on that bank. And then I could schedule that to either send today, and I could repeat that payment. So I'm gonna type in $10 here, press done. And usually I would leave a memo, which is optional, but you have up to 200 characters to say why you're sending that money. So I'm gonna go ahead and type that out. And let me press this up arrow to kind of explain what happens here. If the other person has also the same bank, Chase, for example, in this case, or has a bank that supports Zelle, they'll get the money within minutes. But if they do not, they'll get the money in 1 or 2 days after you send it. A lot of people have a bank account that supports Zelle, so in most cases, it's going to happen within minutes. And when you're all set, go ahead and press send money. And this is important to make sure the phone number and email you use is the right one because you won't be able to cancel this payment when you set it up. So Zelle is really meant to send money to people you trust and not paying for goods and services because there's no protection for those. And all you have to do is press yes and send it now. And in some cases, you're going to get a message like this that says that person is not registered with Zelle, but they'll show them exactly how to register to get the money. And I'll press done. Now to receive money, all you have to do is, again, I'm going to go to Zelle, Quick Pay, and I'm going to request money this time. And it's the exact same process. Add recipient, choose from your recent. In this case, I'll choose from my recent. And you would type in the request amount, the deposit bank account if you have multiple accounts, press request money on the bottom. Now let me show you the Zelle mobile app here. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at it on the App Store or the Google Play Store. I already downloaded it and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna type in my mobile number here to sign in, or you could go ahead and press sign up here if you haven't done so. And all I have to do is connect my bank here. So I'll just go ahead and do that here. And if it finds your bank, which in this case it does, it just says go to your mobile banking app. So the exact same process I showed you before. If it doesn't find it, so I just put a name I know it won't find, it says don't see your bank, click here, type out your email. It's gonna send you a verification code. So let me go ahead and type that out. And you could go ahead and add your debit card here to link an account that way. This is for banks that are not part of the Zelle system. You will go through this process and the rest of it ends up being exactly the same as far as how to send and receive. Very straightforward. Thanks so much for watching this video. Check out the resources in the description below this video. Ton of other videos on how to send and receive money with other apps as well. Thanks so much again for watching and I'll catch you next time.